Welcome back to my channel, everyone. I am here finally for the unboxing of the BTS Random Box. First time ever getting one. I've tried years before, but they always sold out before, so let's just get started with this unboxing. Alright, so that was it. I feel like that was a waste of space in that big old box, but also I feel like in previous boxes there was way more stuff. I don't know. I didn't watch any unboxings for this box, so I don't know if that's normal amount of stuff or what, but yeah. I'm not going to open this because I already have this. So I probably will sell that during the summer when I have time. But yeah, that's gonna be it for this unboxing. Thank you guys for watching. I will see you in my next video.